to our What's Going On Today news. We are joined by Liz Vegas and Ashley Kirkland. I am Kennedy Sawyer. Today we're focusing on the issues caused by carbon dioxide getting into the atmosphere and how beneficial developing carbon sequestration methods would be for the environment.
Americans are faced with the concern of what to do with all the extra CO2 in the atmosphere. But the question here today, folks, is where is all the CO2 coming from and what are we going to do with it?
The Energy and Environmental Research Center states that once captured, the CO2 gases, or the carbon portion of the CO2, is put into long-term storage.
Sequestering carbon has become a grand challenge because it is shown that humans' use of fossil fuels, oil burning, and deforestation, and products such as aerosol have caused the CO2 levels to increase.
Engineers have begun researching methods of carbon sequestration to reduce the amount of CO2 emissions and greenhouse gases. U.S. EPA tweeted, CCS technologies are currently available and can dramatically reduce by 80 to 90% CO2 emissions from power plants that burn fossil fuels.
Energy and Environmental Research Center claimed that CO2 sequestration has the potential to significantly reduce the levels of carbon that occur in the atmosphere as CO2 and to reduce the release of CO2 to the atmosphere from major stationary human sources, including power plants and refineries.
What are some methods that they are using to make the world a safer and happier place?
Well, one method of CCS is pumping the carbon dioxide into the ocean in ways that would seal it eternally into rock formations.
Also, through terrestrial sequestration, plants use the CO2 captured and use it for photosynthesis, which is a natural process to produce oxygen.
CO2 has become the global issue of greenhouse gases that come from human activities. This has led to climate changes and global warming. According to the National Academy of Engineering, evidence is mounting that carbon dioxide's heat-trapping power has already started to boost average global temperatures.
In the end, carbon sequestration is a rising issue that needs to be further addressed in the coming years. Engineers are continuing to develop and refine the methods of carbon sequestration to work more efficiently. This will cut down on our carbon output in the future so that the world can be a safer, less polluted, and healthier world for posterity. Thank you for watching and tune in next time on What's Going On Today.